Hey everyone, this video is on MouseLook and basically just looking around for a first person character. Alright, beautiful, let's get straight into it. Hey everyone, we're in this MouseLook tutorial, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and add a terrain, a capsule, 3D object capsule. I'm going to put the capsule 0, 1, 0, 5 is 1, 5. Make the main camera a child of the capsule and bring it up to about the head height of the character. Alright, let's go ahead and make our script, C# script, MouseLook. Let's go ahead and drag this onto our camera. Alright, let's go ahead and open our script. Alright, we're going to need a few variables. Public float sensitivity, public transform plow, and public float x-rod, which stands for rotation. Oops. Let's go down to our update function and let's make a new variable called mousex equals input dot get access mousex, which is inbuilt inside of Unity. Sensitivity times 50f times time dot delta time. We're gonna copy and paste this and just change it for the y-axis. Capital A. Alright, gorgeous. Alright, let's go again, make this work. So let's go transform.local rotation equals quaternion dot euler x-rod 0f 0f. Let's go x-rod minus mouse y. Now let's clamp it so we can't look further up or down. So let's go x-rod equals math f dot clamp x-rod minus 90. And let's go player dot rotate vector 3 dot up times mouse x, and that we'll save that. We'll come back to must have typed something wrong. Yep, over here. Still got an error on what that is. 24. X-rod minus equals mouse y. Alright, let's go ahead and assign our player. Alright, let's go in game and let's see if that works. Alright, gorgeous. Just like that, we're able to look around inside our Unity scene. That concludes this MouseLook tutorial. Please subscribe for more content and I'll see you next time. See you guys.